Good evening. Y'all look like y'all need to change your pace. Y'all want to talk about something different for a minute? My name's Johnny Ashley, and I am here to talk about family court reform and the law enforcement response to it. So y'all will be passing around my little paperwork I promised last time I'll bring to you. So the first page is going to be the laws, and I copy and pasted it from the state of Virginia website, where a reasonable person would think they could find the laws of the land. I want you to notice, both of these codes are 18.2, which means criminal offenses. The stuff police investigate, not like building code or something. So the first one that's highlighted is abduction and kidnapping punishment. A, any person who, by deception and without legal justification, seizes, takes, transports, detains, or secrets another person with the intent to deprive this person or to withhold or conceal him from any other person. If we go down to C, abduction for which no punishment is otherwise prescribed shall be a Class 5 felony. Then the next one down is going to be what is deemed perjury and the penalty. So if any person to whom an oath is lawfully administered on any occasion willfully swears false on such occasion, touching on material matter of a thing, and the second part down is punishable by a Class 5 felony. So this is going to be the abduction plus perjury thing that I've talked about. So if we just flip over to the next page, it's going to be a doctor's report. And you can see it was received on September 6, 2007. So the first highlighted part says, there's actually a legal hearing tomorrow, which will likely completely terminate parental rights with full adoption soon to follow. The Lucases say that the mothers chose to use their last name at birth, and they have been told it would be perfectly legal to simplify things for the adoption. Now this is going to be the first hearing, and the hearing I'll be citing is going to be the second one. But they actually never tried to terminate my rights to adopt them, so I don't even know why they're saying that. And then the second paragraph, the highlighted part, says the biological father was said to have been incarcerated at some point, and there's a little question that his full rights will be removed tomorrow. Now, if we flip it over to the next page, you will see it is highlighted the date of December 20th, 2007, and a couple of them I wasn't paying attention. I highlighted the time. Sorry. And then it's done by the Wythe County Reporting, which is important if you just want to file perjury charge. You have who did it. So this is going to be for the hearing. So the first page is going to be from Jennifer Lucas, which is going to be the adoptive mom. So her testimony is, question, well, let me ask you this. 4 years from now, say right before this child starts school, if she contacts you and says, you know, I think my feet are on the ground and I'm firmly established financially, emotionally, and professionally, or employment-wise, and I'm ready to have full custody of the child, how would you feel about that? And she said, we've discussed that, and I've always told her as long as Aiden and her, and we're in counseling together, and they're doing the parenting, and me and her take parenting classes together, and you know that it shouldn't be a problem. We're always going to be honest with him and who his parents are, because they want to be involved. Question. So, if you thought it was appropriate, it would be allowed to happen. Yes. All right, next one is going to be the cross-examination of the child's mother. Question. Is it the intention then in the future at some point to have both these children under the same roof that you live under as well? Answer, yes, I would like that. It's just going to take a while. The next paper is going to be from actually just a few days later, which is going to be January 16th, 2018. And the top highlighted section says, hopefully soon to be adoptive parents. And the second highlighted section down below, wonderful couple, hopefully full custody will be granted soon. Next page is going to be from July 15th, 2018. There are still some custody issues.
Sir, your time is up. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.